Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of getting caught in unexpected rain showers or roasted by the bright summer sun, you are in the right place. Today we are looking at the best mini travel folding umbrella. You are watching Budget Buying, and I have all the details for you. Let's get started. Finding the right balance between portability and reliable weather protection can be hard, but the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella makes it incredibly easy. Lilac designed this compact and versatile companion for modern outdoor life. Whether you are heading to the beach or running errands, having a dependable shield is a must. The Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella acts as a mighty barrier you can keep with you at all times. It is not just about keeping you dry, it is about giving you peace of mind wherever you go. One of the most impressive features of the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is its serious all-weather defense system. It features a specialized black-coated inner layer that reflects 99% of harmful UV rays. Meanwhile, the outer fabric absorbs harsh sunlight. Thanks to this dual-layer design, the shaded area underneath stays cool, dropping temperatures by 9 to 18 degrees Fahrenheit. When walking under the hot sun, it acts like a personal shade tree to keep you safe and comfortable. Another brilliant addition to the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is the exclusive Quickdraw system. Lilac solves the problem of wet bags by including a matching fabric sleeve, a storage case, and a reinforced carabiner. The fabric sleeve easily absorbs leftover moisture, while the sturdy case contains all the annoying drips so your bag stays dry. Plus, the heavy-duty Quickdraw clip makes it incredibly simple to attach the umbrella straight to your backpack for easy access on the go. Portability is where the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella truly shines. It is ultra-compact and astonishingly lightweight. When folded, it measures just 6.9 inches and weighs a mere 7.6 ounces. With this extremely small footprint, it fits effortlessly into tight spaces where standard umbrellas fail. You can slide it into small handbags, stash it in your coat pocket, or toss it in your car console. Along with the EVA case, it offers amazing convenience for spontaneous outdoor adventures. Despite its small size, the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella is built perfectly to handle everyday weather. Lilac crafted the canopy from high-density water-resistant fabric that easily repels water. To ensure it stays strong, it is constructed with 6 reinforced fiberglass ribs. These tough ribs allow the frame to maintain its shape during moderate rain. When open, the canopy stretches to 35.4 inches, providing reliable coverage to keep you totally dry during light daily showers. Do not let unpredictable weather ruin your perfectly planned day ever again. If you want to grab this amazing weather companion for yourself, make sure to check the price link in the description. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying so we can keep bringing you more awesome finds. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Stay dry out there, and I will see you in the next one.